Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna break down how I actually make my money in meme coins, because it's not the way that most people do it. I am not trading charts or chasing hype. I'm actually deving and launching the actual coins myself. I am the guy behind most runners. This approach has made me real money in this market because it's still being slept on. If you want to learn exactly how to dev meme coins and potentially switch from trading to deving and make way more money, well, this video is for you, bro. Keep watching. I lost a lot of money by trading meme coins, so I stopped trading and I started deving, and that's exactly why my Phantom wallet has over $8.5 million, bro. Keep watching, you do not want to miss this fucking video. Now, most people don't end up losing all their money in meme coins because they're bad at crypto, but they lose all their money because they constantly trade meme coins. They buy after the interest picks up, and after a couple minutes, the person who created the coin sells into that demand, and the person who bought in loses all their money. That's why more experienced traders and well-known KOLs are abandoning trading and switching to launching. It's low risk and high reward, and honestly, bro, it's way more fun. When you trade meme coins, you are feeding liquidity to the creators. You are buying in and entrusting your money to the dev of the coin. But when you launch coins, on the other hand, all you're doing is creating coins and then dumping it on everyone and just rinse and repeating that process. Now, let me tell you how the whole process works from start to finish. All you're doing is creating coins on the blockchain, on the Solana blockchain. You're waiting for buyers, and when the market cap is extremely high, you're just cashing out, and you just do that over and over again with a bunch of narratives. Now, launching has become the new meta because deploying a meme coin on chain costs practically nothing. That's exactly how I built my crypto portfolio, all from deving and nothing from trading. So keep watching, because I'm about to show you exactly how to launch your very first Solana token and obviously, bro, make some profits. And just to be clear, okay, this entire video was made for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and everything is kind of fake. Yeah. Now, when someone starts preparing to launch their first ever meme coin, the platform they usually default to is Pump.Fun to make their first meme coin. It's the most visible option, so it feels like the safest choice. But that is where the mistake begins, because Pump.Fun is absolutely packed. Tokens are created non-stop, and most of them fade out almost immediately. If you are still launching there, bro, you are not really building. You are just throwing attempts at the wall for nothing and wasting all your fucking time. And there's a bigger problem. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a slice of your creator fees. So from the start, you are not really fully in control of your own project. Now, as a dev, the real main objective is getting your token in front of the Raydium DEX, and for your coin to reach $55,000, for it to reach the bonding curve limit, for it to migrate to Raydium, and that is where real liquidity and real volume are existing. But let's be real, bro, on Pump.Fun, reaching that stage takes too long and depends far too much on luck. That's exactly why I switched over to create Meme.io, because honestly, bro, this launchpad is way better and way more profitable than Pump.Fun, all because your meme coins will be migrated instantly to Raydium, which means every single coin you launch through here will go directly to Raydium and reach tens and thousands of people, which will convert into a bunch of buyers and potentially a lot of fucking profits in your pocket. And that's exactly why a bunch of people have been gatekeeping this launchpad, because it's actually a fucking cheat code. But anyways, let's stop explaining and let's actually launch a meme coin on chain to see how much we can make in profits. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on the refresh list button and look for a coin to copy, bro. Honestly, I would go for anything. I'ma copy the testicle coin. It has the last buy 1 second ago, which is not too shabby. Click on create coin, and then obviously ignore the warning from Phantom. It's normal, trust me. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied / created. And then boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is live on chain 9 seconds ago. Everything is working, okay? Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this step turns on trading. By adding liquidity here, your token becomes instantly tradable on Raydium, okay, so that people can buy your coin. Now, Token A is where we set our liquidity pool. Click on 90%, that will drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is where everything starts and where you put your first buy. That SOL is not spent, it's locked inside the pool, okay? You need at least 0.3 SOL and you'll get all back later when the liquidity is removed. That's the whole point of deving, bro. We have nothing to lose. It's just for the first buy, okay? But you will get it back later. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, 0.3 Solana, click on create pool, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the coin is now live, and your profits will always show up here. Now, if you click on the refresh button, you guys can see that our coin is now up $145 because people are buying our coin. That's the whole point of creating coins, right? So that people can buy your coin. Now, click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. It has to fucking load in. Let's fucking go. Okay, it's live. As you guys can see, bro, we are getting a lot of fucking transactions, and this is looking really fucking good. Even though people are selling on our coin, that is a good sign because it adds volume, and more people are going to start seeing the coin and buying in. Okay, so don't worry about it. That's exactly why I love deving meme coins, bro, because yo, your coin will get a lot of fucking eyeballs and that will turn into transactions. Boom, bro. 20, 21, 40 people are now buying our coin. We are at a 1.6k market cap and 1.2k liquidity, bro. Things are looking absolutely insane. $24 buy. Okay, I'ma give this coin some time for it to go up and up and up, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 5k market cap. Bro, I'm not going to lie, bro, this chart looks absolutely clean. It's pumping. Now it's time to make some money, okay? Come back to create meme.io real quick and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, I will be receiving 1.8k in fucking profits. Now, the next step is to remove it. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove. Then just wait, and as you guys can see, bro, I will be receiving 12.4 SOL. Okay, click on confirm, and bang, that's exactly how you do it, bro, from start to finish. I did everything in front of you guys. Now, even if I open my wallet, I still receive the money, bro, instantly straight into my phantom wallet. 12.4 SOL. Now, by the way, guys, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Join my Discord, join my Telegram if you want to connect with me or with my community. And yeah, bro, good luck to everyone. Let's go.